In this video, we're going to calculate gradient. Now, gradient is how steep a slope is, and in maths, we use the letter M to stand for gradient. And we use this formula up over along. There is one more thing we need to bear in mind before we calculate it, is that if we have a slope that is going up from left to right, as is the case on the left, then that gives us a positive gradient. But if we have a slope going down from left to right, like we do on the right here, that gives us a negative gradient. So let's work out the gradients of these two slopes. So the example on the left first. So the gradient is equal to how much we've gone up by, and that's 10, over how much we've gone along by, that's 12. So in our calculator we put 10 divided by 12, and you're going to get 0.83 reoccurring. And as we said before, because the slope is going up from left to right, that's a positive amount. On to our second example. So M is equal to how much has gone up, 44, over how much has gone along, 34. Now, as we said before, because it's going down from left to right, it's a negative gradient. So it's negative 44 divided by 34, which if we do negative 44 divided by 34, we're going to get negative 1.294117, ... And if we were to do that to two decimal places, the gradient would be negative 1.29.